It's 1 a.m. You are lying in bed planning your dream life. Maybe you'll start that business. Maybe you'll get your health back. Maybe you'll finally create something of your own. But then morning comes. Kids need breakfast, school runs start, work calls begin, housework piles up, and by the time night comes, you tell yourself, let me start tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. Week after week, year after year, the same cycle repeats. And you tell yourself, if only I had more time. But here is the truth, you don't need more time. You need to design the time you already have. Hi, I'm Nitya Rangarajan. I help moms make their first million, not just through time management or business strategy, but by healing money blocks through EFT, Ho'oponopono, Reiki, inner child healing, and mindset work. Because when a mother changes her relationship with time and money, she changes the future of her entire family. So, on tonight's episode of Full on Self Motivation, let me show you a system I teach my clients. Step 1, reality check. Most moms say, I have no time. But let's actually calculate 24 hours in a day. Sleep around 7 to 8 hours, work or family duties maybe 8 to 10 hours. That still leaves 4 to 5 hours daily. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh, those hours disappear, Nitya, because they are unplanned. Scrolling, TV, random chores. But when you design even one focused hour daily, your life changes. Step 2, energy mapping. Not every hour of your day has the same energy. Some moms feel fresh early morning, others feel creative after the kids sleep. So ask yourself, when is my highest energy hour? That is where your dream life begins. That hour should not be used for laundry, cooking, or scrolling. That hour is for building your future. Step 3, create an identity hour. This is the most powerful shift. Don't say, I'll work on my business. Instead, say, this is my creator hour or this is my millionaire hour. During this hour, you might learn a skill, build a side income, study investments, create content, work on your business. The goal is not one task, goal is becoming a different identity. Step 4, protect that hour. Now comes the real challenge. Distractions, phone notifications, family interruptions, housework. So create guardrails. Phone on silent, wake up before the house wakes up, or work after the kids sleep. That 1 hour must be protected like a second job because your dream life deserves at least the same commitment as your salary job. Step 5, build multiple income streams. That 1 hour daily is not just productivity, it is wealth creation. Many of the moms I work with start their journey during this 1 hour, learning skills, starting online work, building small businesses, creating digital income streams, and slowly 1 hour turns into multiple income streams. And that's exactly what we built inside my Millionaire Mom program. Your dream life is not built in huge leaps. It is built in small protected hours. 1 hour a day, 365 hours a year. That is enough to change your financial future. And when a mother becomes wealthy, her children grow up believing wealth is normal. If you want to learn how to build multiple income streams step by step, join my Millionaire Mom program. And if this video resonated with you, share it with another mom who says, I don't have time. Because sometimes all it takes is 1 hour to change everything.